Hey everyone, in today's video, we'll go over how to get an animated profile picture and banner without Nitro. So, just before we start, I do want to say that these are only going to be acquired through a third-party software, which may be against Discord's terms of service, so please use with caution. And I also want to mention that these will only be locally adjusted, so other people may not see these animated banners and decorations because it'll only be displayed on your personal Discord. Now, what you want to do is first you want to head over to your browser and you want to search betterdiscord.app. And what you want to do is you want to click on download. After you downloaded it, you just want to run the exe. You want to make sure to accept the license agreement, and you want to click install Better Discord. You also want to make sure that it can find where your Discord is, and make sure that you select it, and then click install. After you've installed it, it'll now open up Discord with the new functions available. To find the new functions, you want to open up your user settings and scroll down, and then you'll see Better Discord down here. However, there's one more thing we need to install on the Better Discord website, and that is in the Plugins tab. Once you go here, you want to type in Edit Users so that you can find this one right here. Then you just want to click on Download. After you've installed it, you want to go back down to your newfound settings and click Plugins, and then you want to click Open Plugins folder, and then you want to add the thing that you installed. I'm just going to drag it in, and then there we go. You'll also get this pop-up here that says Library Missing. You want to make sure to click Download Now. You then want to just go out and back into Plugins so that you see everything here, and you want to make sure that everything is enabled. It should look like this after you've enabled the two. So now that you've done that, you want to go over to the GIF that you want to copy. And just to show, I don't have anything displayed here, but I found a GIF. So what I want to do is I want to copy it, copy link. After you've copied it, you want to right click on your profile, head over to local user settings, and then click change settings. From here, you just want to paste in the link that you copied, and you want to make sure that there is a border that says green. But as you can see here, it says it's invalid URL, so I have to grab a different URL. So as you can see here, there is now a green border because I got a different link. The ones I used before weren't compatible, but these ones seem to apply. After you've gotten the green border, you just want to go ahead and click on Save. And now, as you can see, my profile has now updated. Now, if you want to get a background, what you want to do is you want to copy the link that you want to apply your background with. You want to head over and go back to change settings, and then you want to go to profile theme. Go ahead and paste in what you like, and then as long as it's green, you can click save, and then it'll be updated for you just like so. So that is how you get a locally displaying animated profile and banner on Discord in 2025. If this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.